Mr. Men by Roger Hargreaves. Mr. Busy's Post, a letter book. Lift the flap to see each delivery. Mr. Busy is delivering the post today, as Mr. Stamp is away. Mr. Tickle smiles with pride when he reads the letter inside. Mr. Tickle, small house at the other side of word Happyland. To Mr. Tickle, it was so funny when you came to our school and tickled our teachers. It was the bravest, silliest, funniest thing we have seen and the best day ever. From all the children at Happyland School. Mr. Busy leaves him chuckling with glee as he goes off on next delivery. He has a postcard from far away that would make anyone's day. My new official royal photo. Little Miss Sunshine, Smile Cottage, Happyland. Hello, Little Miss Sunshine. Thank you for visiting and showing us how to be happy. Come again soon. From the King of Laughterland, formerly the King of Miseryland. Leaving her as happy as can be, Mr. Busy dashes off to Mr. Greedy. Mr. Greedy, Roly-Poly Cottage, Happyland. Fee, fee-fo-fum, I hear you have been feeding your tum. You promised when you ate my dinner, you would eat much less and get thinner. From the giant. Now little Miss Naughty is not being kind. So, will this letter change her mind? Little Miss Naughty, Mischief Residence, Happyland. Little Miss Naughty, I have seen your naughty behavior and I am not happy. Not happy at all. If you do not mend your ways, I will pay you a visit. I have the perfect spell to make naughty people behave. You have been warned. Yours, Wilfred the Wizard. With a special delivery in hand, Mr. Busy is off to Nonsense Land. To Mr. Silly's surprise, he has won a prize. Mr. Silly, the silliest looking house, Nonsense Land. Certificate of Silliness awarded to Mr. Silly. In recognition of outstanding silliness in the Nonsense Land, cup for his blah 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 nonsense language, awarded by the King of Nonsense Land. Mr. Busy's next letter is for an inventor who makes lives better. Make no mistakes, there is nothing Little Miss Inventor can't make. To Little Miss Inventor, Creation House, Happyland. I would like a new bed. My rolling boat keeps sailing away. My new bed should have wheels to keep it still. My bed. Many pleases, Mr. Nonsense. Who lives in a house that's such a mess? Can you guess? Will he listen to what the letter says and change his ways? Mr. Messy, Ramshackle House, Happyland. Dear Mr. Messy, we recently paid a visit and left you and your house looking neat and tidy. We hear they are both messy again. Just let us know if we can be of any help. Yours neat and tidy. The next house Mr. Busy will find is a home of a very different kind. A grand castle for a princess who helped a Mr. Bump in distress. Little Miss Princess, the Royal Castle, Happyland. Dear Little Miss Princess, thank you for looking after me when I broke my leg. It was very kind of you to try to cook for me. The takeaway pizza you ordered was delicious. Best wishes, Mr. Bump. Mr. Busy can hear a laugh as he walks down his path, Little Miss Giggles is so happy to see she has an express delivery. Little Miss Giggles, Chuckle Cottage, Happy Land. To my giggling friend. Question. What do you get if you cross Mr. Bounce with a kangaroo? Answer. A woolly jumper. Ha ha. What do you call? Question. What do you call Little Miss Bossy with bananas in her ear? Answer. Anything you like, she can't hear. Ha ha ha. Question. Why does Mr. Tall have such long legs? Answer. Because he has smelly feet. Ho ho ho. Question. What is blue and white and goes round and round? Answer. Mr. Bump falling down the hill. He from Mr. Funny. With a wave goodbye, he's on his way, as it's Mr. Happy's birthday. Mr. Busy is glad his deliveries are at an end and he can spend time with a friend. Happy birthday! Mr. Greedy, Little Miss Princess, Mr. Funny, Little Miss Magic, Walter the Worm, Mr. Nonsense, Mr. Messy, Little Miss Naughty. Happy birthday, Mr. Happy. Lots of love from all your friends. Mr. Tickle, Little Miss Giggle, Mr. Bump, Little Miss Sunshine, Little Miss Inventor. The end.